Have you ever held a beautiful, shiny black stone and found yourself wondering exactly what it is? The world of black gemstones can be surprisingly complex, and two of the most commonly confused are obsidian and black onyx. At first glance, they can look remarkably similar, both offering that deep, mysterious black color that's so captivating. Could it be a piece of obsidian, a natural volcanic glass forged in the heart of a volcano and cooled so rapidly that crystals couldn't form? This fiery origin gives it a raw, primal energy. Or is it the classic and elegant black onyx, a type of layered chalcedony, which belongs to the quartz mineral family? Its formation is a much slower, more deliberate process of silica deposits settling in layers. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery and teach you how to spot the difference like a pro. Let's start with the most immediate clue, the surface luster. Obsidian, being a natural glass, has a very distinct high-gloss shine. It's often described as having a vitreous, or glass-like, luster. When you look at it, you'll see sharp, clear reflections, almost like looking into a black mirror. Black onyx, on the other hand, has a different kind of beauty. Its surface is typically more subdued. Instead of a sharp, glassy reflection, it has a softer, waxy, or silky sheen. While it's beautifully polished, it doesn't have that same mirror-like quality. Sometimes, if you angle it just right in the light, you might even spot very faint, parallel banding, hinting at its layered structure. Next, try the edge test. This is a fantastic trick. If you hold a piece of obsidian up to a strong light source and look at its thinnest edges, you'll often see the light pass through. It will appear slightly translucent, sometimes with a smoky gray or brown hue. Now, try the same with black onyx. Because of its microcrystalline structure, onyx is almost always completely opaque. No matter how thin the edge is, it will block the light, remaining solidly black. This difference in transparency is a very reliable indicator. If you have a magnifying glass or a jeweler's loupe, you can look for even more definitive clues. On any chipped or broken surfaces, obsidian displays what's called a conchoidal fracture. These are smooth, curved, shell-like patterns, just like you'd see on a thick piece of broken glass. Under the same magnification, onyx reveals its quartz heritage. You won't see conchoidal fractures. Instead, you'll see a much finer-grained, almost fibrous texture, which speaks to its composition of tiny, interlocking quartz crystals. Now for a practical hint. Hardness. Onyx, as a type of quartz, is harder than obsidian. On the Mohs scale, onyx is about a 6.5 to 7, while obsidian is softer, around 5 to 5.5. This means onyx can scratch a piece of glass, but obsidian usually won't. We don't recommend scratching your finished jewelry, but it's a useful fact for identifying rough stones. This difference in hardness also affects how you should care for them. Because obsidian is softer, it's more prone to scratches and chips. It's best to store obsidian jewelry separately, perhaps in a soft pouch, to protect its beautiful glassy surface from abrasion. Onyx is more durable, making it a great choice for rings and bracelets that might see more daily wear. However, it's still wise to treat it with care to maintain its polish and prevent damage, especially since many black onyx stones on the market are dyed to ensure a uniform, deep black color. So, let's do a quick recap. If your stone has a glassy, mirror-like shine, and its thin edges glow when held to the light, you almost certainly have obsidian. If it has a softer, waxy luster, remains completely opaque, and feels a bit heavier and more substantial, you're likely looking at black onyx. Now you have the knowledge to distinguish these two stunning black beauties. Rock on!